Today we're showing you a few different ways you can decorate your clay pumpkins from last week. So just make sure your pumpkins are nice and dry. This can take a few days depending on the size of the pumpkin. And I'm just using some really fine brushes here. And I'm using acrylic paint. I've just mixed an orange colour here. And I'm just going in with the orange colour all over this smallest pumpkin and using a black and a brown just for the stem here. I'm using the brown towards the top of the stem and the black towards the base just to give it a bit of depth. So as you know, pumpkins can be different colours, they don't always have to be orange, so I'm doing a green pumpkin here for my pumpkin stack, as well as a white pumpkin and another orange pumpkin. On this green one here, I'm just kind of doing a mottled technique with some orange over the top of the green, and then just again going into the stem with some black and brown. For this pumpkin, I'm using green towards the stem and then kind of blending it into an orange colour. This is a slightly kind of darker pumpkin to go with the scary face. So I'm trying to make it look a bit more textured, a bit more worn, and then I'm just adding some black into the face, just to make it stand out a little bit more. And then finally for the tea light holder, I'm just painting this a really simple orange colour. And as you can see, they look really lovely all together. I've just painted a really simple ghost face on the ghost here. So I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial, and we'll see you again next week.